So now we will discuss about complex Fourier series of a signal. So I am considering a waveform which is varying from 0 to 6. So this is a periodic signal, and a complex Fourier series or Fourier series are applicable only for periodic signals. So I will choose an interval. So I will take the interval from 0 to 4, because your waveform is starting from 0 and again the same waveform is starting from 4. So the time period, the fundamental time period is 4 seconds. So here t equal to 4. Simply here your waveform is starting from 0 and again the same waveform is starting from 4. So 0 to 4, 4 minus 0, it is 4 seconds. So the fundamental time period is 4 seconds. Now we will find the fundamental frequency omega naught. Omega naught is nothing but 2 pi by t, which is 2 pi by 4, which is nothing but pi by 2. Okay, the first coefficient c naught is equal to 1 by t integral 0 to t x of t dt, which is 1 by 4 integral. See, you have chosen from 0 to 2. I am choosing from 0 to 2, 2 to 4, because your signal is from 0 to 4 and again the same signal is starting from 4 to so on. So this integrals, this total time period is t equal to 4, and you can split this integrals from 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. Okay, because from 2 to 4 it is obviously 0, you are not having any magnitude. So from 0 to 4 I can split these integrals as from 0 to 1 you are having a magnitude some 1, and from 1 to 2 you are having 2. From 1 to 2, from 0 to 1 you are having, from 0 to 1 you are having magnitude equal to 2, and from 1 to 2 you are having the magnitude equal to 1. So this is nothing from 2 dt plus 1 to 2 dt, 1 dt, because from 1 to 2, 1 to 2 the magnitude is 1, and from 0 to 1 the magnitude is 2. This is nothing but, upon integration you will get 1 by 4, this is 2, and this is 2 minus 1, which is 1. So your C naught is 3 by 4. Simple. And you are left out only with another coefficient, which is Cn. We will discuss that also. Cn is equal to 1 by t integral 0 to t x of t e power minus j n omega naught t dt. This is your Cn formula. And 1 by 4 integral 0 to 1 x of t from 0 to 1 is 2 e power minus j n omega naught. Omega naught is pi by 2 t dt, plus integration from 1 to 2, the magnitude is x of t is 1 e power minus j n omega naught is pi by 2 t dt. So upon integration this will be 1 by 2, because 2 and 4 will be cancelled, 1 by 2 into 1 by e power minus j n pi by 2. Integration is e power minus j n pi by 2 by minus j n pi by 2. So you will get minus j n pi by 2 e power minus j n pi by 2 t from 0 to 1 plus 1 by 4, this 1 by 4 into same minus j n pi by 2 e power minus j n pi by 2 t from 1 to 2. So this will be minus 1 by j n pi, because by 2 this will be cancelled, and this is e power minus j n pi by 2 minus t equal to 0. So this will be minus 1 minus 1 by 2 j n pi e power minus j n pi minus e power, in the place of t I am substituting this limits, minus j n pi by 2. So this is nothing but 1 by j n pi 1 minus e power minus j n pi by 2 minus half e power minus j n pi, because you are having this plus 1 by 2 e power minus j n pi by 2. You can simplify this, or else you can leave like this. So this is how you find the complex Fourier coefficients.